What's up, guys? This is Adam's Collection, and today we're going to be opening up the Cynthia's Garchomp EX collection box. I like collecting collection boxes, but this one kind of got damaged since I kind of opened up already, so why not make a video out of it? The reason I like collection boxes, one, they look cool way to display, and two, you always get something unique with them, right? Like these are, I guess, like stands where you could display them. I believe it comes with a background too. Also, you get cool promos. Well, I don't know if this one's a promo because I actually pulled this not too long ago. Matter of fact, this is the card. Yeah, so I pulled this not too long ago, so I can't say it's a promo, but yeah, at least we get it again. And it comes with a 6-pack. So let me open this up and show you guys. Okay. So for the packs, we got 2 Destined Rivals, 1 Journey, Paradox Rift, and Paradox Rift, which is pretty cool. Okay, this is the little stand. I guess you could build. So, supposed to put this up. This is a quick stand. Kind of breaking it. Third, you can push it out. Push it up. And now you have your little stand. Pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna set these up so you get a little preview. And I'll be right back. All right, guys, and we're back. This is how they look all set up. Tell me this is not cool display. Tell me now.
Wow!
Cool way to set up your things. Yeah, so that's the display. Probably gonna set up in the room somewhere. A little backdrop. We're down to business. Okay, so now we have our promo. Oh, I guess our promos are. Well, they fell. Let me pick those up. Okay. So I guess we have the whole line. I'm sorry, this card is fire. It's really underrated. Should be worth way more than what it was worth. It won't get a 10. Bottom super heavy. But still super nice card. So now I got 2 of them. And some people were asking me to give this away for a giveaway, so now we have 2, so we might have to. Oh look, so if you, I don't know if you can see the difference. Look on the bottom by the number, this has the 2 stars, and this one does have the Black Star promo. So I guess, yeah, it's a promo. I wonder if that makes the price any different. Anyways, so yeah, we're almost to, I think we already hit 7,000 subscribers, so hopefully maybe 8,000 will give this away. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, guys, because we are going to be giving away, and we open every single day, so a lot of things to give away. Okay, now we're going to go to the packs. So Scarlet and Violet, Destiny Rivals. Okay, so Destiny Rivals is one of my favorite sets, so we're going to open it at last. Paradox Rift. I haven't really opened too much Paradox Rift. I never had really good luck with them. Journey Together, you know, it's a cheat code. So let's open that first. Put one to the front. Yeah, one to the front. And let's see how this goes. Stunfisk. I mean, I opened so many blister packs of this, and I always got a good result from this set. Journey Together is probably the easiest set to hit from. Look at that. Right off the bat, first pack. Wow, beautiful card. So let me remind you guys, I paid roughly $75, I want to say, I think. Yeah, at the time. No, $65 for this collection box. And I have a feeling I'm gonna get our Mewtwo. Have a feeling. Okay, let's go to the Paradox Rift. I don't even know what you could hit from here, to be honest. I wasn't a big fan of this set. Some people love it, some people hate it. I forgot what the chase was. I wish I had my computer around, I could have put, but. So since it's Scarlet and Violet, it should be one to the front, correct? If I'm not mistaken. One to the front, yeah. Alright. Have you guys opened this set? A lot of it? Zubat, Steelix. Okay, like I said, I don't really hit on this set too much, but hey, we got two more. See if our luck could change. Now that we know the pack trick, I think all Scarlet and Violet, the pack trick is one to the front, if I'm not mistaken. Kinda cheated. Don't mind me. Oh. Cool. And, hey, it's okay. Last pack. Paradox Rift. This is the one, guys. This is the one. This is the one that's gonna have a huge hit. Watch. I mean, I'd rather the Destiny Rivals have the huge hit, but okay, let's go. Where's he? Come on. And we have, oh, see what I mean about that set? never hit anything good with that set. It's okay though. Now the big boys, Destined Rivals. So glad they came out with this set. Let's leave the Mewtwo for last. Alright, we might get Mewtwo. I think they also have the Garchomp. Oh, so let's see. I yet hit Mewtwo on this set. I haven't hit anything super big on this set. No big chases. I got the smaller Mewtwo version, if I'm not mistaken, but nothing crazy yet. Let's go. In the queue. Muck. Ondor. Ooh. Okay. A trainer. I remember back in the day when I was a kid, nobody even wanted the trainers. Now they're making so many cards of them. It's pretty cool. Okay. See? Paradox Rift. Ain't got it. Okay, this is where our Mewtwo's gonna be. This is where the Mewtwo's are gonna be, guys. I'm telling you. Something huge is gonna come. Positive vibe, positive vibes. Believe it, it shall happen. Oh, I think I saw the borders. Oh, this might be a dud. This might be a dub. Cute card. Oh man, yeah. Well, not the way I want to end the video, but not bad. No, I don't think this is worth $65 I paid for it. Well, we got the stands and everything, right? This is just awesome. But yeah, we're gonna keep hunting. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We're on our way to 10,000 subscribers. Like I said, once we hit 10,000 subscribers, we're gonna do a huge giveaway. So make sure that you guys subscribe. Well, I gotta find out how much this one is, but yeah, make sure you guys subscribe, and thanks for all the love and support. You guys are truly amazing. Have a good one.